Hello, I'm Catherine Bouhier. I'm happy to welcome you to SpecialChem. I'm in charge of your experience with the platform. Feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn or to send me an email. I'll be happy to help you and to get to know you better. In upcoming videos, I will help you get to know the platform better. First, we will start with a quick overview of what you can find on SpecialChem. Then we will review the data behind the master catalogs and why you can trust it. We'll see useful tools you can use to maximize your selection efficiency. Let's start with a quick overview of SpecialChem. SpecialChem is a material selection platform. I hope it will soon become your go-to place. We cover 5 industry verticals: cosmetic ingredients, coatings ingredients, adhesive ingredients, polymer additives, and plastic and elastomers. Today I will use coating ingredients as an example. You will find the same on all the other verticals. After clicking on coating ingredients, we land directly on the Find a Product section. This is where you have access to the master catalog of coating ingredients. It centralizes all commercial grades from all suppliers. It is updated daily. You will also find information about supplier as well as in-keys for our friends of the cosmetic industry. Under Find a Solution, you will find guides to help you translate your requirement into a material question. Also, soon you will start receiving SpecialChem newsletter. In this newsletter, we share about selection knowledge, material innovation, and news. You can access them at any time from the menu, here under Selection Resources, New Product Concepts, and News. One last point for today, you have a Contact Us link in the menu. Feel free to use it anytime you need our help. In next video, we'll review what is the data behind the master catalogs and why you can trust it. See you in next video.